So now let's talk about writing a business plan and operations and structure. How do you look at operations and the structure of your company? And there are a couple of fundamental questions you can ask yourself. How will your company operate? A really basic question that you want to ask yourself. And to help you get to that, ask yourself who will do what work. Maybe it's just you, or maybe you need a team of people to support you in terms of whatever you're doing, but who will do what work is a basic question you want to ask yourself. And then you think about what work needs to be done. That's another way of getting at this information. So let's think about the product creation and manufacturing of your product or acquiring it. And let's also think about fulfillment and assembly. What do you need to do to prepare this for the customer? Is that a part of it? Shipping, delivery, or follow-up, customer service. You may be in a situation where you need additional support like lawyers or medical staff for some reason. You might also need human resource services or maybe even accounting services. So whatever you think about what actually flows and what work needs to be done, and then diagram your business. Write it out for yourself and diagram what work needs to be done and kind of a flow, if you will, for the work that needs to be done in your business in terms of operations and how you will operate. And then ask yourself, how will you structure your company? You think about that you have sole proprietorships or different things that you could do, and you got to ask yourself what's right for you. And you may need to seek financial advice or legal advice to help you with this, but when you do this, there's several types of structures you can have for your company. You can have limited liability companies or corporations, you have LLCs, you can have sole proprietorship, you can have partnerships. There are different ways you can structure your company, and you really want to think through that. And what you really want to do, it matters, how you follow the regulations at a state and federal level. So that's really who's incorporating you at a state, and then things you might do from a federal level. So follow those regulations. If you don't choose someone, you're automatically considered to be a sole proprietorship if you don't choose another form or structure for your company. But seek legal advice and really follow the rules and regulations that are set up for you, and you should be good to go. The other thing you want to think about is just rewatch this video, take notes, and answer these questions as it relates to you. And if you like what you're seeing, subscribe to our channel. We'll have more coming back for this. Look for us and learn more.